Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Geforce Now and create an account on Nvidia Geforce Now graphics. For this, open the Nvidia website in front of you on your PC, and here you will see a lot of option to your profile on the right top. Whenever you will click on the profile option, you will have to see two options: enter your email to log in or to create an account. You simply have to choose your Apple ID, your Google account or email to enter your account. Now whenever you will add your email, it will demand for your display name, that which name you want to be displayed on your Nvidia account profile. The third thing is you have to enter the correct email address or your date of birth. Let me just enter my name here, and then I will enter my original date of birth. Then on the below option, you can see there is a password setting. You have to enter the password you want to switch for your account, and then you have to confirm that password. After that, it is the final step. You can click on create your account, verify your email address, and yes, your account is now activated and you can use it any way you want. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel.